Hey guys, welcome back to Drain Plug.
Want to do a couple short videos today? Instead of these 10-minute long ones? How about
Do some Drain Plug shorts.
drain plug shorts? Let's clean these valves up.
Let's get to it. Why it's only me is Bud is a little bit broken up there.
A little bit broken.
Yeah.
You gonna help him out today? Do we want to talk about it?
Nah.
No.
Let's not talk about it.
You want to talk about how Bud broke his nose?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
No.
Well, drain plug shorts. Let's clean these valves up.
DB
Got a quick,
shorts.
easy little way. A little drill. A little WD-40. There you go. You on camera? There you go. Just hold it still right there. Can you see this valve? It's got some carbon on it. It's all crusty.
Carbon crusty.
That's not good. So we're gonna do this. Put a little gas hose in here because you don't want to clamp your drill on this end because it'll scratch it all up. So what I do, cram it in there, nice and tight. See that, baby?
So it doesn't fall out. And yeah, we get it.
Then you want to spray it. Some WD-40 or something slippery. Okay.
So I can
Scotch Brite.
Scotch Brite. Use this during cleaning motors.
Okay, now you spin the drill. You hit the drill button. Are you done?
Sorry, I was chopping it off.
There you go. Let me clean it right up real quick. Let me dry it.
With jeans.
Oh,
Dry 'em with
dirty
jeans. On drain plug. Oh my gosh.
Are you done? Oh, you almost dropped the valve? Dude.
Dude,
slow down.
I have my hand right here and it caught it.
Alright, see? There's a little bit more. I don't know if you can see it on the film. There's a little more. Big truck going by. A little more carbon right on that edge.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, we'll spin her in there and polish her up again. Let's get in there. Alright, hold her still. Ready? Spin her. Birdie. What do you think of that? Oh, good? You want to do one more? We'll do the exhaust. See, this one's pretty bad. This one is the hot one. A lot of crud on it. Okay.
We really gotta get this one good.
Chuck it up. Got it? One spray.
Easy spray.
Go ahead and spin her up.
The hot air pops out of these pockets.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. Feels nice.
Alright, give her one more shot. Okay.
And after.
Oh yeah. See how crusty that one is?
Mm.
How's that light in your eyes? Very nice.
Yeah.
Alright. That's it. That wasn't too bad, huh? They're not toys. Stop. 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 If you drop one and ding it, I gotta buy a whole new set. What do you think? Do about 16 more of them?
Bye.
Hey kid, you wanna go work in the garage?
How about no, you crazy Dutch?